Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Sonic Oasis. So in today's video, I am having a look at another e-piano, and this time this one is made by Fracture Sounds. So Electric Keys by Fractured Sounds is actually part of a series of free sounds, and this series is called Blueprint, and Electric Keys is the first one. So if you'd like to keep up to date with the series and every time they release a new sample pack, make sure that you sign up for their newsletter. So they actually sampled the OG Fender Rhodes Mark 1, and I must say, for a free instrument, it sounds really good. It sounds like something you would pay for. And this runs in Kontakt, so it's a Kontakt instrument, and the great thing is it runs in Kontakt Player as well, so you don't have to own the full version of Kontakt. It's NKS compatible, so it'll work in complete control, and it'll work beautifully with your complete controllers. So I'm just gonna go straight in and look at what this thing has to offer and some of the functionalities of this plugin. So when you've loaded the electric keys in Kontakt, you get greeted with this interface, which looks very clean and very straightforward. There's a settings page here where you can control or offset the latency of the sample and the velocity response of your keyboard. There's 4 main controls right up front: the stereo field, the chorus, the atmosphere, and the reverb. And then we have a choice of where our signal can go through direct line input or through a amp. And over here is a key press. So if you want mechanical noises, you can go all the way. And this is the key release noises. And that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna play some sounds and mess around with the settings so you can really just hear what this thing sounds like. I'm gonna play a very dry sound with no effects and no mechanical noises. And that's it, guys. I'm actually very excited to see what Fractured Sound is going to do with this blueprint series. Personally, my wish list at the moment, I really hope they have a grand piano in store for us at some point. And secondly, maybe like a very solid, lush string ensemble. And lastly, maybe an acoustic guitar library as well. But yeah, that's just my wish list. Comment down below what you'd like to see Fractured Sounds to release next. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe so you keep up to date. And until the next one, I will see you later.